Hello, students. I'm going to show you how to get on Quizlet Live on your smartphone. So go to the Quizlet app right here, and there are the sets. Then you're going to go down here to the search. Click on the search, and you've searched already for Quizlet Live up here. And then it's going to show right here, Play Quizlet Live. Click Play Quizlet Live, and then you will enter in the code. So you can click up here, and I'm going to type the code 523633. All right. Then I'm going to click Continue. And I put my first name, and then I click Let's Go. Now you're waiting for the game. And we need one more person, so we can't start the game, but I'm waiting for you to come join me and start the game.